Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to do some destashes, and I'm not sure if I'm going to break these videos up, but we'll just see how it goes. So if you're not familiar with my destashes, it is US only, PayPal only, through friends and family. And if you're interested, just go ahead and email me at this email address. I will also have it in the description box below. They all will be first come, first served. I will not be holding anything, and I'm sorry about that, but I need to get these items out of here. Go ahead and email me, and please do make sure to select the friends and family option so that I'm not charged a fee. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, I have a few sequins lots, or 2 sequins lots, and if you can look right here, I haven't sealed the box yet so that I could show you guys, but this is the small priority box, and it is jam-packed. Like, I cannot get anything else in here. I will not be going over everything that's in here. I'm just going to spread the contents out, and then you guys can choose whether you want lot 1 or lot 2 of the sequins lot. They will each be $25 shipped. So this is the sequins lot number 1. I can't even get it all on screen. So like I said, you can take a screenshot, but there is a ton of sequins, and they're from everywhere. There's also some packets of seed beads in here. They're shaped confetti, all sorts of things. So this will be lot number 1 for $25 shipped. Okay, this is lot number 2 for the sequins lot. This one actually has bigger quantities of items like this. The other one had a little bit more of a sampling of sequins. Some of them are similar or the same, and I just tried to evenly divide them as best I could. So this is lot number 2 for the sequins, $25 shipped. Okay, so this is lot number 3. It will come in a medium flat rate box because there is a ton of stamps in here. So lot number 3 for the stamps, this is going to be $55 shipped. You guys know that priority is about $14, so I think you're getting a great deal on this. I'm actually going to go ahead and fast play through some of it because otherwise we'd be here forever. I think the majority of all of these have never been used. As you can see, they're still in the packaging. For this one right here, these 2 butterflies are not on here. I just thought I'd throw this set in. This does not affect the price at all. So that is for the clear stamps. Then I have this Mason Row Birthday Sentiment Stamp Kit. This comes in this box. You get a 1 5/8 wood stamp mount with ribbed rubber, 6 interchangeable design centers and borders, and black ink. So you can do any of these. Super pretty font. So here is the black ink pad. I've never used this. And here are the sentiments, and then this is what you would mount. I can't even take it out. It's the wood block that you would mount it on. So that is included. Also, this Martha Stewart custom stamp setting kit. You have all these alphas. It's like the same concept as this Mason Row. I don't believe I used any of it. I could have used one of the alpha sheets. Oh, that stamp block, but I have that. It's right here. And then here's all the alpha. I guess I was trying to spell out to and from on this, but all of this is included. You will also get this one, which has a different type of font, never been used. You will also get this super cute tassel stamp. I think this is Inkadinkadoo, and I might have stamped one of these, but I don't think I've even used it. You'll also get this super cute bear with macaroon clear stamp. I have, I think, a total of 13, maybe more, of these mini clear stamps. These are great for gifts. So I'm just going to go through them really quickly. And this is the only one that's ever been used, is this butterfly. Yep, 19 of these. And the rest of the items in the lot are all woodblock stamps. I think I might have used 1 or 2 out of all of these stamps. Well, these are foam mounted, but it is pretty big. You can see it by the size of my hand. And you get on your special day, thanks and congrats. Never been used. And then here's the last one. This is like a background stamp. I did use it, but as you can see, it is clean and it's good for distressed lines on any type of background. So that is a lot of items for this lot. So like I said, this is lot number 3 for these stamps, and it is going to be $55 shipped.